How to use stories to land more clients. In today's competitive business landscape, effective storytelling has emerged as a powerful tool for attracting and converting high-ticket clients. The ability to craft compelling narratives that establish connections and convey value is paramount to capturing attention and driving business growth. This article explores the psychology behind storytelling, the significance of understanding your target audience, the art of crafting client stories, structuring impactful narratives, incorporating stories into your marketing strategy, and the amplifying effect of video content. By leveraging the power of storytelling, you can create a lasting impact and win over potential clients. 1. The psychology of storytelling. Storytelling is a powerful tool for capturing attention and engaging potential clients due to its ability to tap into human emotions and create a memorable experience. When we hear a story, our brains become actively involved, processing information in a way that enhances understanding and retention. Stories have the unique power to transport us, evoke empathy, and create a connection that traditional marketing approaches often lack. Furthermore, storytelling builds trust and credibility as it allows clients to see real experiences and outcomes, making it an effective persuasion technique. 2. Understanding your target audience. Understanding your target audience is essential for crafting stories that resonate with them. By delving into their desires, pain points, and aspirations, you can tailor your narratives to address their specific needs. Conducting thorough audience research, such as surveys, interviews, and market analysis, provides valuable insights into their motivations and challenges. Armed with this knowledge, you can create stories that speak directly to your audience's emotions and aspirations, increasing the chances of connecting with them on a deeper level. 3. Crafting compelling client stories. Client stories play a crucial role in showcasing social proof and credibility. They provide real-life examples of how your product or service has positively impacted individuals or businesses, reinforcing the value you offer. To identify and select compelling client stories, you should consider the alignment between the story and your target audience. Look for success stories that mirror your audience's challenges and goals, demonstrating how your solution can provide similar benefits. Interviewing clients is an effective way to gather impactful testimonials and success stories, ensuring that your narratives are authentic and relatable. 4. Structuring your stories for impact. A strong story structure is vital for captivating and engaging your audience. Every story should have a captivating opening that grabs attention, a relatable conflict that draws the audience in, and a satisfying resolution that showcases the transformation and benefits your clients have experienced. By following this structure, you create a narrative arc that keeps the audience engaged and emotionally invested in the outcome. Be sure to emphasize the key elements of storytelling, such as character development, conflict resolution, and a clear message that aligns with your business objectives. 5. Incorporating stories in your marketing strategy. Stories can be effectively integrated into various marketing channels, amplifying their impact. Social media platforms provide an excellent opportunity to share short and engaging stories that resonate with your audience. Craft compelling narratives for email campaigns, capturing attention and driving conversions. Incorporate stories into webinars and live events to create a personal connection with your prospects. Landing pages and sales funnels can also be enhanced with storytelling techniques, guiding potential clients through a narrative that highlights the benefits of your offerings and establishes trust. 6. Amplifying your stories with video content. Video storytelling takes the power of narratives to a new level by capturing attention and conveying emotions through audiovisual elements. Create compelling video content that complements your storytelling efforts by incorporating captivating visuals, authentic testimonials, and engaging narratives. Video testimonials and case studies provide a personal touch, showcasing real clients who have achieved remarkable results. The combination of visuals, music, and storytelling in videos can evoke powerful emotions and leave a lasting impact on your viewer. Incorporating storytelling techniques into your marketing strategy is paramount for landing more clients in today's business landscape. By understanding the psychology of storytelling, identifying your target audience, crafting compelling client stories, structuring narratives for impact, incorporating stories into your marketing channels, and amplifying them with video content, you can connect with potential clients on an emotional level and effectively convey the value your business provides. Start leveraging the power of storytelling today and elevate your client acquisition efforts to new heights.
Discover a unique 5-step system named COM5 method that I am using to sell high-ticket coaching, training, and services using the power of artificial intelligence, one simple funnel, and social media paid ads. Go to my website com5method.com and sign up to watch your free video training. You will find the link to the website com5method.com somewhere on this video and the description section right below. If you have liked this video, make sure to hit the like button. Smash the like button right now before you go. While you are here, subscribe to my YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. If you do this, you will get notification when I release a new video on YouTube. On my YouTube channel, I am focusing in teaching you how to sell high ticket, high margin coaching, training, services and luxury products. I will share with you my marketing tests that I am doing to attract paid and organic traffic and how I attract high quality leads using YouTube and social media channels. Therefore, make sure to subscribe right now or you will miss all this valuable information and training. Comment and let me know one big idea that you have learned from this video. Also, let me know if you want me to create a video based on any questions you have relating to your business. Don't forget to share this video with your friends and family on social media and other channels. This motivates me to create new valuable content on regular basis. Thanks for watching this video and wish you all the very best and success, and see you in my next video.